You want to know what bugs me? Treating around pets.
You forgot to raise the Greenback.
We'll soon be here.
How dare you, insect? How dare you interrupt my sentence?
This is Blade. This is my buddy's service dog. He's a good boy. Most of the time, outside perimeter pest control is all that is needed to keep pests from entering your home. Sometimes we need to go inside a home or a business here in Maryville, Tennessee to eliminate pests from that environment. But most bugs come inside looking for food, water, or shelter. The rest decide to set up shop inside our homes, and that's no bueno. You good? The question I always get asked is this safe for our pets? I always find it odd they never ask about the kids crawling around the floor eating the Cheerios and licking the baseboards. This happens so often that sometimes I look at the kids and look back at them and look at the kids and look back at them. They never get it. Good job.
So anyway, is it safe for Fido or not? Let's get into that. For starters, we use pesticides. Acide means it kills. In the old days, Bubba would find the nastiest chemical he could find and spray that junk everywhere Miss Jones saw a bug. These days, we have much more entomological knowledge than they did back then. We also don't paint your walls with pesticide. Most applications are what we call crack and crevice. That means that the pesticide gets put into holes, cracks, behind, and under things where Fido, and yes, even the kids, have a much less chance of getting into it.
Oh my Lord. So this is Lincoln, Torque, Tally, Gemma, and Gizmo. To make it even safer, many of the products we use to kill bugs have a mode of action that affects the aspects of a pest that we don't even have. For instance, one product prevents insects from creating energy from the food they consume. This product is in our food and we process it all the time with no problem, just like they do. Another option affects the chitin production. Chitin makes up the exoskeleton of bugs that protect them from the world, kind of like armor. Come here. When they can't make this armor, they dry out and have weak armor. Bugs molt just like a snake sheds its skin. And another product prevents that process, causing them all kinds of problems. Last time I checked, neither me, you, or Fido has chitin or an exoskeleton. So this is Mika, as a shop dog here at Atkinson Automotive. The next reason Fido's not in danger is the concentration we use these products at. The concentration is the active ingredient. That's the part that does the killing, is relative to the size of the pest. If a big fat guy needs to take pain medication, he would need significantly less than 50-pound child would. If you take an aspirin, it'll kill your headache. Take a handful, it may make you headed for a dirt nap. The dosage is the difference between a medicine and a poison. Most products are mixed at less than 0.1% because it's bug dose, not Fido dose. Now, don't get the impression that because these aspects make the application of pesticides safer, or that means they're 100% safe. They are not. And I cringe when salesmen try to tell homeowners that they use pet-safe materials. It's very misleading. No pesticide is 100% pet-safe. The method of application is just as, if not more important. Where it is put and how much is put makes the difference. Of course, we don't want Fido or even little Timmy to get into anything we put out. But because of how we use things, the chances of them being able to get into it are much less. And even if they do, the nature of how they work and or the concentrations make it unlikely to cause any harm. This is why you need a pest control technician that understands pest biology and the chemicals they're using.
Hey, this is Prissy. The answer to your pest problem is not a product, it's the knowledge of the pest and how to fight it. To win a war, you must understand your enemy. So next time, hire a bug geek instead of a paycheck getter. And ask about the safety of your child before your dog. For heaven's sakes, Fido licks his own butt.
You want bugs me?
Pet owners.
But
but I love to help them.
You're killing me, Smalls.
So, I stand upon my desk to remind myself to constantly look at things a different way.
Nothing but a spur.
Yeah, really. Evidently not.